Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you different application methods for our glitter dip powders. Keep on watching to learn the best tips and tricks. As always, start your manicure by prepping the nail plate. Push back cuticles and buff away the natural shine at the nail. Wipe with alcohol to remove the dust and any oils from your nails. In this tutorial, we will be using the shade It's Summertime, a beautiful warm tone pinkish glitter with a clear base. For the index finger, we are going to follow a basic application method. Shake the jar well before use. Apply Rossi base coat and dip on an angle into the jar. Next, tap off and brush the excess powder. Repeat for the second coat. If you want to achieve a full glitter opacity, try this trick. Lightly shake the jar from side to side to allow more glitter pieces to come up to the surface. Apply a Rossi base coat, and this time, instead of dipping, rotate your finger and place the nail directly into the jar. This will give you the most glitter coverage in one step. Use a small piece of cling wrap and pat down the nail. You can also use a Ziploc bag or a tool to lightly pat the glitter down. Repeat with the second protective coat this time, dipping as usual. Tap and brush off excess powder. Our glitter glam powders are versatile and can be used as a topper on different solid colors. Pick a nice matching shade. Here we went with Senorita. Apply 1 or 2 coats of solid color powder. This will depend on the color opacity you're looking for. Brush off the excess powder and apply another layer of base coat. You can sprinkle the glitter powder on top of the wet base using a fluffy brush. This also works great if you're trying to do a glitter ombre look or just distribute the glitters evenly on the nail. Mix the powder to get an even glitter distribution and dip it into the jar. Here you go, a simple, sparkly topper effect that will transform any boring manicure in a matter of seconds. To protect the glitter from filing, you can try applying a layer of clear glam powder. This step will save you time when buffing and create a perfect protective layer over the sparkles. If you don't have clear powder, you can also apply just the base coat as a final layer before activating. Liberally apply Rossi activator and wait 2 minutes for the nail to harden. Dip powder air dries and hardens to an acrylic-like feel without requiring the use of a UV or LED nail light. File and shape the nails. Buff the nails to achieve the preferred thickness and shape. Go over the entire surface to even out any imperfections. After the buffing, remove the filing dust using a lint-free pad soaked in alcohol. Apply 2 coats of Rossi top coat. Use thin, quick strokes from the cuticle to the tip of the nail. Wait 2 minutes for the first coat to dry, then apply the second coat of top coat more precisely. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for the nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Last but not least, we're going to show you a method using gel liquids. Apply a few drops of gel polish base coat on a palette or a piece of aluminum foil. Sprinkle glam powder to cover the surface of the gel. Press it down and mix it by folding all of the powder into the gel until it looks nice and smooth. Next, pick up the mix with a brush and apply it on your nail. Cure for 30 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. Repeat with the second coat. If you feel the mix is too thick, you can just mix more base gel into it. Cure for 30 seconds. Finish off by applying a nice and even layer of gel polish top coat. Remember to cap the free edge and cure for 60 seconds. Massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. We recommend you use it 3 to 4 times a week to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated. Thanks for watching! As you can see, glitter glam powders are truly versatile. We love all the variations and possibilities they offer. Let us know in the comments which method is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Bye Rossi babes!